cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Give them to your children, give them to your son. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hi dear viewers, welcome to Chin's Bakery Training Center. Today we'll be making hot cross buns this time. So why not enjoy this season making buns for your children and family members. Now let's get started. The first step we're going to do is make our dough. As you see, it has rested. Now we have in my hand here melted butter. It's the rubbing in butter. It makes work more easier and tender. The shape we're making today is the burger buns. And hot cross buns, the filling here are mixed fruits, currant seed. So let's take the biggest dough, shift all the other ones back. We're working with this big dough. With our rolling pin, we roll it forward and backward, forward and backward, forward and backward. Roll it gently, very lightly. Make sure there's no hole. If there are holes like this, then you refold. Refold. You need to develop tension. You see I've refolded it. Knock it down to develop the gluten. Roll it back again. Knock it down until it comes together smoothly. Knocking it down until it comes together. The more you knock it down, the more the tension is developed. And you can see with my hand, and I'll roll it. Use a rubbing in flour, rubbing in butter to stop it from sticking to our hand. Knock it down. With your hand, you would have seen it has developed tension. Roll it. Use your rubbing in butter. Press it down. Roll it with your rolling pin lightly. 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 Forward and backward. Spread your butter on top of the dough. You can use your hand. Sprinkle in your mixed fruits. Sprinkle in your mixed fruits. And roll. Roll. Talking. Roll the other side. And pinch at the end to keep it sealed. And you switch on with the sausage. Take your scissors and cut. Even first cut, second cut, third cut. Place it in the baking pan. 2, 3, and 4. The same with second dough. Knock it down. Roll with the palms of your hand, flatten it, roll with the rolling pin, forward and backward. As you see, this one has developed tension very fast. Roll forward and backward with our melted butter. Rub on the surface. Sprinkle in your mixed fruits. Spread it out evenly. You can leave some mixed fruit to glaze at the top here. Hot cross bun. Then we roll from one end and then we roll from the second end. Pinch it at this end so that it doesn't pull out from here when it enters the oven. It's sealed. Pinch it like this, sealing the ends. And roll from center to the end. Roll from center to the end. You're stretching out the dough. Rolling it from center to the end. Lightly, lightly, very lightly. We used our scissors the first time. You can also use our knife, sharp knife. If you don't have the scissors, with your hands you measure 1, 2, 3. Carefully lift it up, pinch it, and place it on the baking tray. Carefully lift it up, pinch it, and place it on the baking tray. Carefully lift it up, pinch it, and place it on the baking tray. Carefully lift it up, pinch it at the side to prevent it from bursting, and place it on the baking tray. There we have it. You can now glaze it to give it an extra beauty. You see, this is about to pull out, so you pinch it. Glaze the top with fruit seed. There we have our mixed fruits seed. Do the third. Knock it down, comes together. Tuck it in, roll, and flatten with your hand. With the rolling pin, you lightly roll forward and backward, stretching it out and bringing a smooth texture. Forward and backward, forward and backward. Then, rubbing in butter, spread it on it. Sprinkle your fruit seed. And roll. With your scissors, cut. Sorry, scissors is cracking. Let's use our knife. 1, very sharp knife. 2, you carefully lift it up, tuck the side, and place it on the baking pan. Tuck it, lift it up, tuck the sides, and place it on the baking tray. Lift it up, tuck the sides, and place it on the baking tray with your mixed fruits how it looks before it enters the oven. So we leave it to rest for another 30 minutes before we place it in the oven. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Easter. For more information and inquiry, contact these two numbers 080-33-206-111 or 081-084-36104. We'll be glad to hear from you. Thank you.